Magic pen.
Hi kids! For today's video, let's draw a colorful makeup set. Let's draw in color together. Wow! These lipsticks are so adorable! This makeup set is so amazing! It's color time! Blue. Pink. Orange. Lavender. Red. Purple. Orange. Yellow.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Pink.
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Blue. Orange.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Yellow.
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one
Brown.
for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep,
This makeup set is so cool.
yes sir, 3 bags
Pink.
full. One for my master, one
Red.
for my dame, and one for the little boy
Pink.
who lives down the lane.
Powder pink.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one.
Light brown.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Blue.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock.
Red.
The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Brown.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck four.
Wow, a very cool makeup set. Thank you for watching. See you in our next episode. Goodbye!